Hi, and welcome to AirEthics. This short video will aim to demonstrate the incredibly powerful technology built into our air purification systems. Let's begin. First, let's start by turning on the system. You'll now begin to see the smoke appear. Think of this smoke as the air we breathe around us, whether it's in your office, school, business, or even your home. Although it may not be visible to the human eye, the air around us could easily be filled with pathogens, viruses, and even COVID-19, all of which we could be breathing in. Thanks to this NASA-patented technology, you're about to witness just how incredibly fast the air begins to clear. As a matter of fact, up to 99.99% of the polluted air and surfaces could easily be cleared in as little as 3 minutes, and this is just touching the surface on what our patented technology can do. Contact us today to learn how we can help protect